Hello everyone, myself Miss Joyce DeCosta, teacher of St. Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, teaching in Standard 4th. Today in this video, I am going to teach Mathematics Chapter 4 Subtraction Exercise Sums. I am going to solve textbook related sum in this video. Subtraction by borrowing. This exercise is on page number 25 of your maths textbook. The first sum, 4215 minus 2649. Now in units place, my dear students, 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9 subtraction is not possible. So in this case, we have to borrow one number from tens place. After borrowing one number from tens place, 5 will become 15. 15 minus 9, answer is 6. In tens place also, it's not possible to subtract 1 minus 4. So in this case, we are supposed to borrow one number from hundreds place. After borrowing one number from 2, in tens place, number 1 will become number 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. In hundreds place, my dear students, since we have given one number to tens place, number 2 will become 1. 1 minus 6 is not possible. So again we have to borrow one number from thousands place, that is from number 4. After borrowing one number from number 4, in hundreds place, 2 will become 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. And in thousands place, since we have given one number to hundreds place, number 4 will become 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Similarly, we are going to solve the second one. 7123 minus 5784. In units place, 3 minus 4 subtraction is not possible. In this case, we have to borrow one number from tens place, that is from number 2. After borrowing one number from number 2, 3 will become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. In tens place also, we'll have to borrow one number in order to do the subtraction. So one number we have to borrow from 100 place. After borrowing one number from hundreds place, in tens place, number 2 will become 11 because we have given one number to units place. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now in hundreds place, number 1, instead of becoming number 11, it will become number 10 because we have given one number to tens place. And 1 minus 7 is not possible. That's the reason we have to borrow it from number 7. After borrowing, 1 will become 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And in thousands place, since we have given one number to hundreds place, number 7 will become 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Next, third one, 3014 minus 2527. 4 minus 7 is not possible. In this case, we have to borrow from tens place, that is from number 1. After borrowing one number from number 1, that is from tens place, 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now in tens place, instead of number 11, there will be number 10 because we have given one number to units place. In this case also, subtraction is not possible, so we have to borrow it from hundreds place. After borrowing, in tens place, the number will be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. In hundreds place also, subtraction is not possible, so we have to borrow it from thousands place. That is, we have to borrow one number from number 3. After borrowing one number from number 3, in hundreds place, 0 will become 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. And in thousands place, since we have given one number to hundreds place, 3 will become 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Fourth one, 6325 minus 758. 5 minus 8, subtraction is not possible. In this case also we have to borrow. We are going to borrow one number from tens place, that is from number 2. After borrowing one number from number 2, 5 will become 15. 15 minus 8 will be 7. In tens place, 1 minus 5 is not possible. So we are going to borrow it from hundreds place. After borrowing one number from hundreds place, in tens place, the number will be 11. 11 minus 5, answer is 6. In hundreds place, 2 minus 7 is not possible. So we are going to borrow one number from thousands place, that is from number 6. After borrowing, in hundreds place, the number will be 12. 12 minus 7, answer is 5. And in thousands place, since we have given one number to hundreds place, number 6 will become number 5. And since there is no number for subtraction, so number 5 will directly come down. Next topic is subtraction of 5-digit number without borrowing. This exercise is on page number 26. First one, it's a 5-digit number and it is subtraction without borrowing. So we don't have to borrow. Units place 2 minus 1, answer is 1. Tens place 3 minus 2, answer is again 1. Hundreds place 4 minus 3, answer is 1. Thousands place 7 minus 4, answer is 3. And in 10,000s place 1 minus 1, answer is 0. Next sum, again 5-digit number. Units place 7 minus 6, 1. 6 minus 5, answer is 1. 5 minus 2, answer is 3. 4 minus 3, answer is 1. 3 minus 1, answer is 2. Third one, 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Fourth one, 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So this was all about subtraction without borrowing. Arrange vertically and subtract. Now my dear students, the numbers are given they are arranged in horizontal manner. We are going to arrange it vertically in a table form and we are going to subtract. I have already done this for you all. The numbers are arranged vertically and let's start subtracting the number. 8 minus 5 is 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And since in 10,000s place there is only one number, so 1 will come directly down. Second one, 23,457 minus 346. I have arranged the numbers according to their place value. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 0. Since there is no number, 3 will come directly down. And in 10,000s place also, since there is no number, so 2 will come directly down. Third one, I have already arranged the numbers according to the place value. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. And the fourth one is 6 minus 1 is 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 1, 1. Now we are going to solve exercise which is on page number 27. Now in this exercise, we are going to do subtraction by borrowing. In units place, as you can see, 5 minus 8. Subtraction is not possible. So in this case, we are going to borrow one number from tens place. After borrowing one number from tens place, in tens place, the number will be 0. Since we are giving one number to units place, 5 will become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 0 minus 1 is not possible. So in this case, we have to borrow one number from hundreds place. After borrowing one number from hundreds place, number 0 will become 10. And in hundreds place, 7 will become 6. 10 minus 1 is 9. 6 minus 6, subtraction is possible? Yes, answer is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Moving on to the next question. Units place, 4 minus 5. Subtraction is not possible. So we are going to borrow one number from tens place, that is from number 2. After borrowing one number from tens place, number 2 will become 1. And since we are taking one number from number 2, units place, number 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 9. Now in tens place, 1 minus 6 is not possible. So again we are going to borrow one number from hundreds place. 8. We are going to borrow one number from 8. After borrowing one number from 8, 8 will become 7. And in tens place, 1 will become 11 because we have borrowed one number from hundreds place. 11 minus 6 is 5. In hundreds place now, 7 minus 4, answer is 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. Third question. 5 minus 9. Subtraction is not possible. So we are going to borrow it from tens place. That is, we are going to borrow one number from number 3. Number 3. After borrowing one number from 3, number 3 will become 2. And number 5 will become 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So we are going to borrow one number from hundreds place, that is from number 2. After borrowing one number from number 2 will become 1. And in tens place, number 2 will become 12. 12 minus 5, answer is 7. In hundreds place now, my dear students, 1 minus 7 subtraction is not possible. So again we are going to borrow one number from thousands place, that is from 8. After borrowing one number from thousands place, 8 will become 7 because we are giving one number to hundreds place. And 1 will become 11, as you can see on the screen. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now in thousands place, 7 minus 3, subtraction is possible, or do we need borrowing? We don't need borrowing because number 7 is bigger than number 3. So subtraction is possible. 7 minus 3, answer is 4. And in 10,000s place, 7 minus 4, answer is 3. Moving on to the next, that is fourth one. 9 minus 9, answer is 0. 2 minus 1, answer is 1. 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Now 4 minus 5, subtraction is not possible in this case. So we are going to borrow one number from 10,000s place, that is from number 3. After borrowing one number from 3, number 3, one number will become less, that is number 3 will become 2. And in thousands place, since we are taking one number from 3, number 4 will become 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. And in 10,000s place, 2 minus 1, answer is 1. Next question, that is fifth one. Units place, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 0 minus 1, subtraction is not possible. So in this case, we are going to borrow one number from hundreds place, that is from number 7. After borrowing, 7 will become 6, and in tens place, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. In hundreds place, my dear students, 6 minus 8 subtraction is not possible. So again we are going to borrow it from thousands place. After borrowing from thousands place, my dear students, 0 will become 9 and 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. And my dear students, since in thousands place the number was 0, for this purpose also we are going to, in order to make it 9, we have borrowed one number from 10,000 place, that is from number 5, in order to take one number. So since in thousands place we have given one number to hundreds place, in thousands place one number is gone, so that number 0 has become 9. And since we have taken one number from 10,000 place, so 5 will become 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Sixth one, 0 minus 5. Subtraction is not possible, so in this case we are going to borrow it from tens place. In tens place also, my dear students, the number is 0. Again we are going to borrow it from hundreds place. Since hundreds place also the number is 0, again we are going to borrow it from thousands place. And thousands place, since the number is 7, 7 will become 6. In hundreds place, 0 will become 10. And since we are giving one number to tens place, 10 will become 9. And in tens place, since we are giving one number to units place, number 10 will become 9, as you can see on the screen. And in units place, 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now in thousands place, my dear students, 6 minus 8 subtraction is not possible. So we are going to borrow one number from 10,000 place. In 10,000 place, the number is 6. 6 will become 5. And in thousands place, 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Seventh one, units place, 0 minus 0, answer is 0. In tens place, again 0 minus 0, answer is 0. Hundreds place, 0 minus 0, 0. Thousands place, 0 minus 5. Subtraction is not possible. We are going to borrow it from 10,000s place, that is from number 5. Number 5 will become 4. Number 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, answer is 5. 4 minus 3, answer is 1. Eighth one, 0 minus 9. Subtraction is not possible. We are going to borrow it from tens place. 4. 4 will become 3 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 9, answer is 1. 3 minus 9, subtraction is not possible. Again we are going to borrow it from hundreds place, that is from number 5. 5 will become 4 and 3 will become 13, because we have borrowed one number from 5. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 minus 8, subtraction is not possible. We are going to borrow it from thousands place, that is from number 4. 4 will become 3 and in hundreds place, 4 will become 14, because we have borrowed one number from thousands place. 14 minus 8 is 6. In thousands place, 3 minus 4, subtraction is not possible, so we are going to borrow it from 10,000s place, that is from number 8. Number 8 will become number 7 and number 3 will become number 13. 13 minus 4, answer is 9. And in 10,000s place, 7 minus 2, answer is 5. Ninth one, units place, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5, subtraction is not possible, so we are going to borrow it from tens place. Since in tens place also the number is 0, so we are going to borrow it from hundreds place. And as you can see, hundreds place also the number is 0. We are going to borrow it from thousands place. Thousands place also the number is 0. Let's move on to the 10,000s place, that is number 7. Number 7 will become 6. In thousands place, number 10 will become 9 because we are going to give one number to hundreds place. In hundreds place also number will become 9 because from there we are going to give it to tens place. In tens place also number will become 9 because we are giving one number to units place, and in units place the number will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So this was all about subtraction by borrowing. I hope my explanation is clear to you all. Thank you.